In 1901, a group of sponge divers exploring the Mediterranean Sea discovered a shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera. The wreck contained statues, pottery, and ancient treasures. But among the artifacts was something strange, a small, corroded lump of bronze and wood. At first, it looked like nothing important, but when scientists examined it more closely, they noticed something extraordinary. Inside the object were dozens of tiny gears, complex mechanical parts carefully designed to move together. It looked like a machine, but this shipwreck was more than 2,000 years old. Machines this complex were not supposed to exist in the ancient world. The device later became known as the Antikythera Mechanism. For decades, researchers struggled to understand what it did. Then modern imaging technology revealed the truth. Inside the device were more than 30 bronze gears. These gears formed a complex system that could track astronomical cycles. It could predict solar eclipses, lunar eclipses, and the phases of the moon. It could even track the movements of planets. In other words, this ancient device functioned like a mechanical computer. A computer built over 2,000 years ago. When scientists reconstructed the mechanism, they realized something shocking. Technology this advanced did not appear again in Europe until the medieval period, more than 1,000 years later, which raises an incredible question: who built it? Historians believe it was designed by ancient Greek scientists or engineers, possibly influenced by Archimedes, but no other device like it has ever been found. That means the knowledge used to build it may have been lost for centuries. The Antikythera Mechanism changed how we view ancient civilizations. It showed that ancient engineers were capable of astonishing technological achievements, and it revealed that history may still hide inventions far ahead of their time. Even today, the full story of this ancient machine remains a mystery. A small device built more than 2,000 years ago that proved the ancient world was far more advanced than we once believed.